Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to activate dynamic effects light on calls and SMS notifications on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic light. Now from here, just enable dynamic light. Now from here, just tap on incoming calls. Now from here, just enable incoming calls. Now from here, just go back and tap on notifications. Now from here, just enable notifications. Now once you enable this feature and if you receive a call or a notification, the aura light will start blinking to notify you that you have received a notification or a call. Just like that. And this is how you can activate dynamic effects light on calls and SMS notifications on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.